There are violent and disturbing images in this game.
This game is made by Konami, which means that it probably will be super epic. Konami is really
probably
epic.
means that it'll be Silent Hill audience.
Yeah.
Mateys. People
Maybe
watching
we'll.
this playthrough.
I'm talking to you! Oh, no, it's Silent Hill now.
The fear of blood.
Dude, just shaking my chair, man.
I like that
Yeah, it's really good in the beginning, but suddenly just lame. See, and it's good now, and then now it just sucks. It just sucks.
You like it?
Now it just sucks, but in the beginning it's really epic and eerie and creepy and stuff. Now it's just down. Right? Am I right?
No, I don't agree. No.
That's some pretty good graphics for the PS1.
Yeah,
oh, she's hot.
Please.
Excuse me, man.
Please hold your hormones. This is a very sad and scary and disturbing game.
It is.
Yes. In all manners.
I've only seen the movie. Silent Hill the movie.
Well, okay, I must admit, it's not that bad. It really isn't. It's actually pretty good.
But it's not.
It has good dolls as actors. You know the room with the dolls? They're pretty good actors. Not computer made at all. Okay, so
Jesus,
so let's get
his
serious.
hands are really shiny.
Ew. Shiny pants. We love shiny pants. You know who that is? Do you know who that is?
That's the nurse.
That's Lisa, the nurse.
Lisa?
Yes. Her name is in fact Lisa.
Wow.
Yes.
Oh.
Little girl, you should not have slept.
Fuck you.
No, you've been kidnapped to the silent hill.
She sucks.
This is why little girls should not sleep. They get kidnapped to scary towns.
To get the kidnapped to towns.
Just like with the Lady Diana.
She deserves it.
Demon. No!
Run over her. Okay. What did he do? He crashed.
Idiot!
Silent Hill.
Start option. Start option. What can you choose? So many options. Start option. Oh god.
Easy, normal, or hard?
Hard. You're no.
I'm a beginner though.
What are you gonna say? Just pick something. It's not that hard. Get it? Get it? It's not that hard.
It's not that hard.
Did you take easy?
Yeah, I'm a beginner, man. Okay, so here has a guy who just passed away. It's like, what the fuck is he? Oh my god, where is he? And it's like, fuck, holy shit, fuck. This is a really white place. Where's all the colors?
This is like a black and white movie.
Oh god, that's look terrible, man.
Whoa.
We just seen those awesome graphics in the cutscenes, and now we see that. Ew.
Jesus, calm down, right?
That's
It's a
32
PS1 game.
That's 32-bit.
Calm down.
Cheryl, where are you? Strange. Strange.
It's quiet. It's too quiet.
It reminds me of Peppy in
just like-
Star Fox.
Oh my god. It's too quiet. No, it's too no. Ah,
Yeah, that's what it says in the
Cheryl.
media
Chernobyl.
thing.
Cheryl Chernobyl.
Okay.
Cheryl is in Chernobyl.
I shall walk. Ooh, there's a sign over there.
My culture walk.
Whoa.
This ghost
Help me,
town.
man. What's happening?
Footsteps?
Footsteps?
What?
He's running. Listen,
Is
footsteps.
he running or are you running?
Oh, there he can hear footsteps.
Whoa. Oh. Not her.
Whoa. See,
God,
now we
this
get
is
to the
eerie.
good graphics, and suddenly we see the
Cheryl?
shitty graphics.
Is that Cheryl?
Is that Cheryl?
Oh, now we got dialogue. Spoken dialogue.
She runs off into the distance.
Very pixelated snow.
Where are you going?
Pursue her own dreams as a monster.
Hey, wait! Stop!
Because apparently that's the only job you can get.
No.
Follow her! I don't have the map of this place. Come on.
I need to figure out how to run.
Run!
There you
Yes. Run after her, yeah. She went that. She went that way.
really pixelated snow here.
Bad sense of direction. Would you just stop dissing this game all the time?
Dissing it?
You just can't get up to her, catch up to her. It's insane.
She just disappeared on nothing.
Yeah.
Oh, where is she?
Oh, to the left, to the left.
Ah, yeah.
To the left.
No, that's the right. No, that's the left.
Yeah.
Sure.
Wait, can you change the camera? You should
Angle?
be able to. Yeah, the camera angle.
I'm
No.
not sure though.
Come on, dude.
So if
Come on, dude. Pull yourself together. You can walk to the left. Yes. Good boy.
Beware of dog. There's no dogs
Of
here.
dog. No, not dogs, but dog.
Yeah, there's the dog.
Oh my god.
You just got owned.
The camera angle is so weird in this game, you know. But that's part of the whole thing.
Holy fuck, what's
Oh my
happening?
God.
This is so
It
freaky.
is supposed to freak you out in such a good manner.
It's hard to control.
It leaves everything intense.
It looks like an action movie.
Suspense. Here comes dog.
Oh dear god, is this gonna...
Fucking dog. No,
Listen,
no,
it's getting darker.
not the alarm. Not the alarm.
Or nothing, I guess.
Oh,
Is that a lighter or something?
fuck this. Fuck this. Fuck this so much.
So let's just walk around here. Is that a
wheelchair?
wheelchair? Maybe you can use it. Hello, man. I don't want to walk anymore.
Try to investigate it. Just press. Yeah.
A broken wheelchair. What's this doing here?
Oh,
Hey,
you should know.
That was really helpful.
He's such a racist. He doesn't believe that crippled people live in Silent Hill. They do. Alright?
What's this? It's a bed. Dead person.
With flies or bats swirling around it. Probably flies, but I can't see the difference.
This is weird.
Oh my god. This is... Oh my god. What the fuck
The
happened?
music.
What the fuck is that?
I don't know.
What is this?
Holy shit!
Holy fuck!
What's going on here?
What's going on here? It's Jesus!
Oh my god.
It's Jesus!
Fuck!
Oh,
Fuck! God damn it, get away! Run! For fuck's sake!
Calm down, man. Calm down.
For fuck's sake, my heart's pumping, lad. My heart's bloody beating so fast. Oh!
I died. I suck at this game.
For Christ's
What's happening now? Do I get to continue or do I die?
Oh,
You wake up.
it was the point.
I was supposed to die, then I didn't lose. Then I don't suck, then I'm pretty good at it.
No, not really.
Oh, she's hot. She's really hot. She's like, oh, damn, finally some women.
You know,
Dude,
I know it isn't the point of the
Was I
game, but I
drunk?
have to admit, yes.
was I
How do you feel?
Oh,
How am I
I've
supposed to
been
feel,
run over
woman?
by a truck. But I'm alright, I guess.
Oh yeah, okay, that's a really good. That's a really
Glad
good
to hear
comparison. Yeah, I just got run over by a truck, but I'm okay, man.
Why don't you tell me what happened?
Stop that, we're not getting news yet.
Wait a second, I'm just a tourist.
Tourist?
What? Yes, he is. Well,
I came
Just
here for a
arrived.
vacation. I just got here.
Asian? Oh, probably.
yeah, he's been on vacation.
I don't know what happened.
What happened? What happened? What happened?
I'd like to find out myself.
I'd like to find out myself.
Sexy, sensual music.
Uh-huh.
Have you seen a little girl?
She's ugly!
Stop it, it's just
Just turned 7 last month.
Really?
Short, black hair.
Look, she has short black hair. That's a sign.
My daughter.
His daughter.
My doctor.
Sorry. The only person I've
She
seen in
just
this
turned
town
7
is
the
you.
other day. I know I'm not so good at picking doctors, but
Is everybody?
I try.
Where is everybody?
I'd tell you if I knew, believe me.
Believe me.
Lying.
Everybody is right there.
From what I can tell, something bizarre is going on.
Sure.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No shit.
Oh.
That's all I know.
Really? Wow.
Deformed mutants are roaming the streets. Yeah. A little bizarre. Don't you think?
What's your name?
I don't know.
Harry.
Fuck.
Harry.
Harry Potter.
Harry Mason.
Oh, Mason.
Mason.
I'm a police on Brams, the next town over.
Brams. Is there a town next to Silent Hill? I just thought it was like
Phones
an
are all
enclosed
dead.
area
And radio too.
in the
I'm going back to call in some
another
reinforcements.
reality. Reinforcements.
Like some new badass. He's standing up.
Hold it. Where do you think you're going?
Talk, woman.
My daughter.
Move your lips.
I've got to
Yeah.
find her.
Move your lips, girl. And you too, Harry.
No way, no way.
No way, no way.
It's dangerous out there.
Take this. It's dangerous to go alone.
In that case, I need to
Take
find
this
her
sword.
now. Cheryl's my little girl.
Here, Link. Let me heal you.
I can't just leave her out there by herself.
Oh, he can, girl.
Yeah, he can.
No, I mean, himself.
Have you got
I
a
guess.
gun?
You got a gun? Of course.
Not even.
No.
No.
He needs to think. He needs to get over it.
It's a bit
do I
awkward.
And hope
Yeah.
you
But
can
no.
use it.
She just give him
Hope
a
you
gun.
don't have to
Now
use it.
listen to me.
Oh, you shouldn't know.
Before the trigger, know who you're shooting.
Wow.
And don't do it unless you have to.
Yeah, I guess we can't waste ammo.
And don't go blasting me by mistake.
Ooh, why not? well, if I blast her in the head, she will die and she can't do anything about it.
You do best to stay nearby. I'll
What
be
would be
back
the
with
point
help
of that?
as quick as I can.
I mean, he's alone out there.
She's ugly.
God damn it! She's pixelated. She can't do anything about it.
Pixelated bitch.
Mmm.
Stop her. Okay, so I need to find something to use before leaving. Ketchup.
Ketchup bottle. Take it.
Okay.
I want my ketchup.
There's a box over there.
Yeah, it's a healing. It's the first aid box, and there's, take that one first. It's like a health drink.
Or the knife.
Yeah, take both. Take both.
It is weird.
Yeah, take it.
Wow. Take it. Of course. I need
And
to
the
go
first aid box. The
there.
first aid box. Take it. Take the first aid box.
First aid box. Radio. It's not a first aid box. It's a fucking radio. Can't you see the difference between a first aid box and a radio?
Can you not pick it up?
Nope.
You should be able to, because you... No, don't go aside. There was something else.
Damn it. I hate being in here. It's claustrophobic. And the camera angle sucks.
Look. Health drink. Another one. You need... Yeah, and bullets.
And bullets is a flashlight.
Okay, same shit.
It's a flashlight.
Same shit.
A flashlight.
If you want to get technical about it.
Mm.
Just insert a flashlight in the revolver.
Yes, we want to take the map. Whoa!
We want to take the map. Yeah, just a quick note. In this game, you literally have to say everything you want to do. Things don't just come by themselves.
Oh, we can save
Creating
here.
a 5, you can save here.
I was thinking I'm gonna save here. I think I'm gonna continue playing after we're done here.
Yeah. We got a badass over here.
Even though the camera angle is fucked up and it's hard to control the guy. Let's get the hell out of here. The phone's
Radio. What's going on with that radio?
radio.
Video kill the radio star.
Jet
Or
set
something
radio
like that.
future. Oh,
No.
the window.
No!
A bat.
Fuck, you have to fight it!
It's Batman.
Fuck, you have to fight it! Run!
It's Batman. It's Batman.
Take a knife. Equip the knife.
How do I do that?
I don't know. Go to your inventory screen.
I'm going to fix my inventory screen. Select.
Known that.
Select.
Yes.
Take
Take the knife.
Hard to use.
Seriously, Harry. Yeah. Step.
How to do that?
I don't know. Step. Yeah. Come on. You went in fighting position. Step. Come on. Step that shit. Stab it! Come on, yeah.
God damn it, it's hard.
You have.
Hello.
Oh my.
How the hell am I
God,
supposed to
Harry.
do this? This is hard. Game over.
Harry.
They threw way too much at me at once.
Harry.
Tips. It is difficult to pinpoint flying enemies. However, if Harry keeps back to walls, he can cut down the blind side attacks. Continue.
Oh
Oh dear God, that leg looks so
Running
terrible.
in slow
Yeah.
motion.
Like I'm badass.
Watch out. Oh, you're there again. Yeah, now equip the knife immediately, alright? Or the gun.
Huh. Radio.
What suits you best?
What's going on with that radio?
Yeah, just
Knives
watch
suck.
out for bullet.
We want guns.
Nobody can outsmart the bullet.
What's that?
Equip the gun
Equip the
right
gun.
now.
Jeez, that's some pretty hardcore music there. We want to equip the handgun. Okay.
Shoot.
Die! Potato!
Oh my god. Stump it. You have to go.
This is not a dream. What's happening to this place?
See? That's it.
Oh my god.
High five. Okay. Let's go down. Let's get on with our lives.
Oh my god.
Right. Let's get out of the door.
You have to take a radio. I'm serious. Try picking up the radio now. I think it should work.
Radio, okay, come on. Just pick up the radio.
Yep.
Take it. Yeah. And now we can take it. It's not stationary anymore.
And it works now. You know, and first go to your inventory.
The inventory.
Yeah. Go on.
The screen is black. Where could Cheryl have gone? Oh shit, that looks like
A cafe 50. The 50s. The good old 50s.
I guess I'll check
No,
that
not
alley
that
again.
shitty alley. Okay.
Where is it?
Ooh, squares.
Ah.
Zoom in effect. Cafe.
Okay, so the
Oh, so the.
yeah. Okay, so we know where to go, probably.
Okay, go into your inventory right now
Inventory.
and use your radio. Okay, it's on. No, it's on. Yeah, it's good. It's on.
Okay, so we can get on with our lives now.
Remember to look at the map, dude. Remember to look at the map. Don't get lost because that's not good.
Okay,
No,
so I know where to go now.
nice. A lost patriot.
We have to go to the next left.
Watch out if you hear that noise.
Jesus, this is a pretty wide. Jesus, this is a huge road. Pretty wide. Okay.
Fuck! Fuck! Run! Don't shoot it! Just run. I'm serious. It's a waste of bullets.
Run!
Fucking hell!
Run!
And remember to use your health strings when you have to. To the left. Right now.
To the left, to the left. Oh yeah.
Seriously,
God damn it.
your sense of direction.
We have to go this way.
Yeah. Yeah, exactly. And then at the end, run. Keep on running and then to the left.
To the left? Oh, there you
Keep
go.
on running, keep
There's
on
something
running,
on-
keep on running, keep on running. Oh, the dog! Fucking, fucking dogs! Beware of the dog!
Yeah, now is it?
Yeah, yeah. Use your flashlight, I guess.
There's a dog again. Be nice.
Use your flashlight or some shit.
Wait a minute, wait a minute.
Come on! Seriously, seriously. If you want to live. If you want to live, use a health drink.
Now?
Look at your inventory, then you can see how damaged, how
Okay, so the
Okay.
stairs is
yellow. Oh man, I don't know. I think it would be wise to take one now. Use a health. Yeah, now you're good. You're good to go. Shut up.
Shut up and die. Go die in a hole.
Dist. Yeah, we are literally in a hole. We are in a dump. Dumps. What the? Ooh, a pipe. Take it.
A pipe.
Yeah, a pipe.
A pipe.
It's epic. It's epic. Yes, steel pipe. Fuck. This shit.
What's this? What is that? To school.
Isn't the Cheryl sketchbook?
Sketch.
She's at the school.
Harry, you're a bit cracked up. I hope you know
dear God,
that.
the school is all the way over there.
Oh my god.
Midwich Elementary School.
Oh my.
I'm pretty sure we're going to
God.
find some, I don't know,
Fucked up stuff.
demonic little girls or something now.
And take the last thing on the ground. I don't know what it is.
Sketchbook cover.
This picture. It's me.
Is that you?
He just knows that. This is Harry. This is Harry. He knows that stuff.
See that? Okay.
Well, he knows his little girl.
First picture I ever drawing the sketchbook. I gave her on her.
Yeah, that's why.
Okay.
He doesn't even take it. He doesn't care about it. It's just like, oh yeah, well, handgun bullets.
Hang on.
Yeah, those were. I think those were handgun bullets.
Let's go back. Yeah, because people just casually drops bullets into this corner. Oh, apparently.
Yes, they do.
Apparently they do.
Well, they're not matches, so they actually look like matches. Ooh, I'm at this shady-looking alley. Maybe I should drop some bullets. Some guy may be needing them.
It's like, I'm just gonna have some more bullets. Oops, I absolutely accidentally dropped them. Maybe I have to just walk away.
Yeah. Okay. Remember.
What's in here?
You
Remember the dogs.
Okay. So go to the school, and then we're gonna end the video, right? Yeah, unless you die first. Run! Oh,
That looks epic.
what am I saying, you? And remember, you have to go left. You have to go left, to the left, and then the next place you can go left. You have to go left again. To the next road. Fuck! Fucking hell!
I hate those guys.
Yeah, those flying fuckers are insane.
Just flying
It's like the
fucks.
Red Barons. Multiple
fuck.
Red Barons. Flying fucks. Star Fox, you have forsaken me. We used to be pals, man.
Star Fox?
Yeah, he flies too.
That's a Star Fox.
He flies.
Oh dear God. No.
He can fly. Oh,
He's faster
my
than
God.
me, I have to shoot him.
That sucks. What is your condition? Check and check and check again. Okay, you're okay. You're okay.
What do I do? What
Just
do I do?
run.
Run.
And check the map. Check the map.
Okay, you saw me.
I'm not sure. Yeah, I told you you are going in the wrong direction. You have to go
Yeah. I
to
get
the
it.
right
To the right and then to the left. No, to the right and to the right.
and then to the left. Yes,
Yeah.
exactly.
Ah, yeah. Oops.
So you have to turn to the right now and then run down. Yeah, run down that road
Yes, and then we have to
And
go to the
then-
right.
to the next one.
It's not here, it's...
Yeah. I don't
It's,
know,
that's a
two
bad one.
shices.
Whoa!
What the fuck?
Okay, the road ends here apparently.
Help! Help!
Where am I?
Where are you? They gotta be shitting. So you have to run all the way back and then to the left, because that's what the game wants you to do.
Mm.
Do it, faggot.
Okay, so we have to go up and we have to go to the left and we have to go to the left and we have to go to the right. Left, right.
Please. Your sense of direction cannot fail you now. Please. Fucking dogs.
Yeah, dogs. They don't even have fur.
Yeah, exactly. They don't.
They're
They
disgusting.
shouldn't even be classified as dogs.
They're monsters.
They're monstrous hounds. No. Try and look at the map.
Nah. Okay. So that's out of the
What
questions.
is this?
We have to go all the way.
Bullshit.
All the way. Around.
Okay.
We have to go forward, and we have to go to the left, and to the left.
To the left, to the left, to the left, and then all the way down the road. No, yeah, that way, yeah.
Yeah.
Radio, please. Please, radio. Radio, can we just have peace for once? What's in our lives? We want some
Is
peace
here,
in
right?
our lives.
Is
Yes,
here, right?
yes.
Yeah. This is blocked
You
up.
know what?
Too. So there's no way we can get over to school. At all.
You know what?
Oh
Fuck.
dear God, I know what's going on. We have to go. We have to go all the way. Oh, we have to go.
Dude, instead,
Is that worth it?
that's the point. I mean,
Yeah, should we go all the way there just to get to school?
yeah, and then get killed by some random fucker who has a bad day, because apparently everyone has a bad day, even the dogs. Everybody has a bad day in Silent Hill.
So, in conclusion, this game
We've decided to.
we're playing.
We rated 10 out of 1600
10 out of 1600?
bananas, because that's a common currency in rating.
It is.
10 out of 1600 bananas. That's what we give this game.
Bananas. Ooh, banana.
So
That's from Donkey Kong.
yeah, okay, yeah. Anyways, we have decided to end this video now.
Yeah. So,
What I said.
ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls,
Goodbye.